Hello and welcome to this video on cloud computing and its types. In this video, we will explore the basics of cloud computing and the different types of cloud computing solutions available today. So, what is cloud computing? Simply put, cloud computing is the delivery of computing services such as servers, storage, and applications over the internet. Instead of having to invest in and maintain your own hardware and software, you can access these services remotely from anywhere in the world. There are several benefits to using cloud computing. Firstly, it can reduce costs, as you only pay for the resources you use and don't have to invest in expensive hardware and software. Secondly, it can improve scalability and flexibility, as you can quickly and easily increase or decrease your resources as needed. Finally, it can also provide improved security and reliability, as the service providers have the resources and expertise to ensure that your data is safe and your applications are always available. Now, let's talk about the different types of cloud computing solutions available. There are three main types of cloud computing solutions: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. The public cloud is the most widely used type of cloud computing solution. Public clouds are owned and operated by third-party service providers and are available to anyone over the internet. Public clouds are typically less expensive than private clouds and are ideal for organizations that need to quickly scale up their resources. The private cloud is a cloud computing solution that is owned and operated by a single organization for its own use. Private clouds are typically more expensive than public clouds, but offer more control and security for sensitive data. Private clouds are ideal for organizations that have strict security and regulatory requirements. The hybrid cloud is a combination of public and private clouds. Organizations can use the public cloud for less sensitive applications and the private cloud for more sensitive applications. This provides the best of both worlds, as organizations can take advantage of the cost savings and scalability of the public cloud while still having control and security for sensitive data. In conclusion, cloud computing is a powerful tool that can help organizations to reduce costs, improve scalability and flexibility, and improve security and reliability. With the different types of cloud computing solutions available, there is a solution for every organization, no matter their size or needs. Thank you for watching this video on cloud computing and its types. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to Digital Amit, my channel, for more great content.